Hey yo, and a big hello from here in Central Illinois. Jason Canarum here, and I appreciate you stopping by. So today, I got me a new Amazon toy, and I figured I'd unbox it for you and maybe give it a test try. Uh, I'm a big fan of Milwaukee tools, but I couldn't afford what I wanted at the moment. This actually uses a Milwaukee battery, so I went ahead and purchased it. It looks something like this. I got it off of eBay. I don't know if this guy has any more. He had a limited supply. It might be sold out by now. But then again, it might not. Who knows? And what it is this here trimmer. Alright, so we got this here electric pruner shears. I'll show you all this information in probably this area here. Let's see if, oh, by the way, this uses Milwaukee batteries. I think I already said that, but who knows. Get this piece of tape opened up here. Oh, wow. Didn't realize that. This comes with a little set of gloves. A little crunchy. They fit me. I'm like 5'10" and 200 and some pounds. So they might fit you, they might not. I got this little pruning guide here. Ain't many pages to it. So on and so forth. Lots of warnings. I mean, warning, 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 warning. Yeah, even more warnings. That's all that is a book of warnings. Came with a little heart shape, little sheath. Came with some tools and an extra blade. Nice little pruner, hand pruner. Nothing else in the box. Not bad packing. I'm assuming it stores something like that. I'm assuming you'd oil it here and there. It's supposed to take a Milwaukee battery. Powered up. Nothing. Do I need to read some instructions? There we go. What I ended up doing is just holding down on that button. Alright, we're in the future. I've played with this thing for a little bit. Let's take a quick look at it. Hold this little button. It'll power up. Hit the trigger a couple times. It'll open up. You could use it. You want to turn it off? Just hold it closed like this. It beeps a few times and you're done. That's all there is to it. Now take your battery out and it's ready for storage. Well, it seems to be working. I guess we need to go play with it. Okay, the whole reason I bought this here tool is because I needed an in-between my hedge trimmer and the little bitty handheld chainsaw. For some reason, things about a half inch and problems with the hedge trimmer. And this is not seeming to have a problem with what I'm wanting to use it for. Win-win so far. Let's take it deeper into the woods. Alright, we're in the backside of the pond here. This is the actual shrubs that I'm trying to get rid of. That is too big. Can you even see me? Let's get rid of this thing. All right, that works a little better. So this is the kind of shrub that I was looking for that my hedge trimmer won't go through. That's why I got this thing. Once again, this is a Milwaukee knockoff made by Mellif, M-E-L-L-I-F. It's not too bad with this size battery. You could use one of the bigger batteries, I suppose. But let's get this bush knocked out real quick and see how good it works. And we have these briars. Can't forget the briars. We're always at war with briars. So how about we go on to something a little thicker? It's about the size of my thumb. Doesn't seem to be a problem. This will also be nice for cleaning trails. Trimming out these grapevines. I mean, look at the size of that. Granted, this is just a grapevine, but it doesn't seem to have a problem. Small saplings you have trouble getting to down by the edge of the pond because of the slope. This thing works great on those. Anthill, look at that. Here we go, here's another one of these, I ain't sure what kind of tree this is, a hackberry maybe? I better get inside before this rainstorm comes in and gets my stuff wet. Guess I'll do the outro underneath the overhang on the back deck. It hasn't started raining yet, but this little thing is pretty cool. So it turns off on its own whenever you don't use it. It's not that heavy with this small battery, which is the older batteries. Let's try it with one of the bigger high outputs and make sure it works with it. So now we have one of these 6 amp hour high volt outputs on there, and I guess it doesn't work until you push that button. It's a lot heavier with this, but it seems to work just fine. Alright, so my opinion, first use, man, I think it's worth the 40 bucks I paid for it. It shouldn't be much more if the prices went up, but who knows? This is 2025. We don't know what's going to happen. With that being said, I guess smile while you still have teeth. See you next time.